Hope all of you are doing good. In this session, we will write a code that will swap the two numbers without using a third variable. Let us quickly create a class named as swap. So the class is created. Now let's remove this content. Now the main class public static void main string args as the argument. Now let's assign some variables like int a equals 10, int b equals 20. Now let's print this before the swapping system.out.println values before swapping a plus a. Now the value of b now the logic. First we will add two numbers, then we will subtract the numbers, then we will again subtract. Now we will again print the values after swapping. So I'm copying this print statement again. We'll modify it as after. Now compile it. No, there are no syntax errors found. Let's close this. Let's run this. So we can see the values before swapping a is 10, b is 20. Values after swapping a 20 and b 10. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more coding updates.